Hi guys, this is Topper Chef. Today we're gonna make stuffed sweet peppers. This is now, you get it in season, and this is a delicious kind of appetizer to make. Okay, so now first is to get these peppers ready. Now there are a lot of recipes out there which actually stuffs this only with cheese. Now what we're gonna do is stuff it with meat. Minced meat like taco meat or something like that, okay? And then roast them really well so inside the meat will be spicy and outside the peppers will be kind of sweet, and they're so good to eat. Okay, so you just clean them up really good like this. There you go. Same thing with this. So clean all of these. Make it really nice so we can stuff this all here. Okay, so we're gonna make the preparation for the filling, which is the meat filling, which is minced meat. It's more like a taco seasoning. Add a little oil and some onion. Okay, now this has been sauteing for maybe a minute, and to this I'm going to add my jalapeno and garlic. And add my minced meat. Saute this good with that. Okay, to this I'm going to add some tomato paste. Mix that around. And our spices, which is oregano, cumin, and a little chili powder. Mix this around. We want to keep it very dry so we can add cheese and everything to it later on. So this is what it's going to take, and we're going to taste for salt. Probably will need some salt, so we can add the salt later when we're adding the cheese. We don't want to salt it too much because some cheeses, they always have salt in them. So this is basically the filling which we're going to use, dried up. Let it cook for another minute or so. And then we're going to use this for our stuffed peppers. Okay, voila, this is ready. Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel, the Topper Chef channel. This is how we're going to make our stuffed peppers. These are the empty peppers. This is the meat preparation that we did. Now we want to add some breadcrumbs to it so that it absorbs all moisture. And to this I'm going to add some cheese. This is a mixture of cheeses, provolone, cheddar, and mozzarella all mixed together. And we're going to mix this. And we're going to stuff this now in these peppers. Now don't get scared and get dirty with your hands and stuff this inside. The reason we added some cheese in it is because when they melt inside it goes really well, okay? So this is what you gotta do. Slowly push it all the way through. There you are. There you go. Now you got one of them. Same thing you gotta do with all of these. Fill it all the way through. Don't crack them up. Be gentle with them. Okay, so now we stuffed all our peppers and we're ready to put it in the oven. The oven is nice and hot. It's at 350 degrees and it's ready to go. It's ready to go in the oven. Okay, we are ready to put this in the oven now. It's a hot oven, so. And we'll check it after 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. The peppers are all ready. They're nice and well done. There you go. And what we can do is just take it out, put it on a plate. Voila! This is the stuffed peppers. Let's taste it and see how good they are. Okay, so now it's our stuffed peppers. Look at them, how gorgeous they look. Now, this is amazing recipe. If you like it, just try it out. So this is our recipe for the stuffed peppers, and this is so deceiving. You know why? You can always go and say, oh my God, I'm going to eat a pepper, but these peppers are so sweet and nice. So let me taste it. So this is good variety for an appetizer on an appetizer plate. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our food channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!